what are the strategy? What are the things that you're going to do to improve this property?
Yeah, so there are two different properties in this deal, although we package them together for diversification.
What would you say for our fellow female that wants to become a real estate investor?
So to gain self-confidence and really face your fear, I would say look in the mirror and assess your gifts. Everyone's going to be different. Everyone's created differently.
So what would you say? How much has real estate transformed your life?
Oh, it transformed it. It's like 180 degrees is how I feel. Otherwise, I would have been going this route, which is corporate life, be happy with that life. I mean, you're making good six-figure income. You have the kid, you have the house, right? The cars. That's one life. But now I'm in a different life, which I really feel to my core is more aligned to my purpose. And real estate investing is the vehicle that I'm using to get to that end goal, which is really to impact and influence more people than what I could have done with this route.
Do you think your family is proud of you today?
Yeah, I think so. I hope they are. But really, my conversations with my parents, even my siblings, they're proud that I went against the grain.
Who would you like to thank you for you to be here today?
Definitely my family, starting with my husband, my kids, right? Because they see me day to day and they know what I have to go through. And there's no such thing as balance. Everything is perfect at any given time.
Who else would you like to thank you?
I want to thank Bill and Shanoa because it's really my first opportunity to be a part of a network here in Texas, and also the investors, friends, family, fellow people in the network that have invested and put their trust in me and into these opportunities.
How many deals have you done?
So I've done total, for a general partnership, that's total 3 deals, and that's about 870 units.
So how many doors that you have today?
Today, I have 2,070 doors as a passive investor and 870 doors as a general partner.
How much money have you made?
Good questions. I'm very close to making almost $1 million.
Well, we wanted to say thank you for you to spend the time being here with us, sharing your journey, sharing your amazing stories since you became a real estate investor. And so thank you so much for taking the time being here with us today.
Oh, thank you for having me, Olivia. Always great to see you and always great to share information. Happy to be on this journey.